What is up, guys? It's Boss Guy 25 here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing some Assassins. Whoa, that guy just juked me. Wrecked. So this guy, Xmas, has crookbacks. Broke game up apparently. It's my next two. There's nice in the chat. I'm not gonna say anything else. I wish somebody here has Skeleton King. I really like Skeleton King. I look like a noob for a reason. Just deal with it. But no effect. I just look like a noob just because I can. Ah! No. I'm gonna try. I'm going to try to act like noobs. That means no point. No. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. That's how it goes, guys. Ah! No. Because I has family. I'm trying to make it talk. I might probably get these schools, but it doesn't even look very nice. So I'm probably going to. I saw. So hopefully this guy. Let's see. Maybe Spring Saber. That's still pretty good though. It's 15 exotics. That's still not worth cryptic. So I'm trying to find a Skeleton King. Because then I would add like I don't know. I would give them Cupid. So is that worth it? I think it's 20 exotics. Oh. No. Where's my target? Ooh. What's Akam? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh well. Johnny Orlando. Gilded or Proton is the best exotic. Oh well. I'm just gonna be like, oh guys, I'm not a noob, guys. I actually am good. Hold on. My costume is messed up. I am missing something. But I've been missing the entire time. Never show me that. There we go. No, you're not trading Spring Saber? Not even. He said please trade Spring, even though he said no. Like, how? Some people say bat scythes. I really want Xmas. We'll get these actually, I don't think that's what it is. Pinky noobs. No, Brian. I invited you to barbecue barn. I think I'm gonna save up for either of this. It's like I get like, it would be so funny if I got fairy when I unbox case 4. Oh man. And it's like, oh my gosh. And then I like make another exotic with my stuff. Okay, trade. I want a rainbow phoenix. Bruh. I want a knife. Yeah, you have it. So, I think I'm gonna be like, oh guys, I'm not a noob. I have corrupted axe. They probably don't know that. The Midas is not very good, so I'm not. Can I help? Run! Where's that guy in the air? Run. Run. Da-na-na-na-na-na. This guy's done. This guy just realized I started. No, here's my shoulder. Yes, I'm not waiting for me. Midnight. What does midnight have? It's like a dark one. Yes, it is. Really wanted a skeleton king. I would give them like, because that is very cool with the dex. You could maybe party. That's like what I would do. I'd say that's about worth it. 6 plus 4. Yeah, that's 30 exotics. That's worth skeleton king. But I don't think anyone would do that because I put in like a Zera's goal, which is like 2 exotic and it's like, oh yeah, that's not worth skeleton king. It's like, yeah, this is worth more. Like by 2 exotics. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. Oh my gosh, this guy's probably getting so cringed and mad at me. Oh my gosh. Bruh, he's like, bruh. What? Oh! This guy's new. Well, hiding. Hiding. Oh, hider noob. What? There is kind of boring looking. Bit of this. Bit of Doge. I'll use no Dove effects Midas. Yes. Yeah, a couple of days ago I bought VIP.
Got it. I'm Stewie Griffin. I'm not Stewie Griffin, I'm Steve King.
Oh my gosh, it's the VIP Dragon Overlord! Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. If he's camper noobs. No. All of the good players are leaving because I'm too good. Me! No. Me! That's his name. Me. 57210. Shout out to him. Yes. Because that name is completely bogus. Bogus! Yeah, he won. A lot of players just say they're getting rusty, so they act like they're not a noob. But I think this guy was lying about being rusty, because he won that one. It is Doge. Doge is beautiful. Oh. 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 Candy is better than Cupid? Oh, Cupid's not very cool looking. It looks like hard. I bought it because it's Robux, and I like buying things from Robux. So I got it. Yeah, guys. VIP Dragon Mode. Oh, here he is. I'm gonna be careful now. Let's see. Okay. Whoa. There's no stain there. No stain, no stain. No stain. It's not okay. No! This guy is nub. Roast gang, roast gang, roast gang. So which one? Are you for real? Never meant to make your daughter cry. Yes. Yes, I won. Castle Keep. Nope, not there. But I'm dead. I am a star. Hello there. You look cool, sir. I have Robux because you can't do this without Robux. You can't have this stuff on you without Robux, so you literally have to have Robux to be me, so yeah. Awesome Trey. I don't think I want to have that name. I don't think he would be my friend because I don't want him to be. What? No! Are you for real? I bought this. This Doge has a Dominus on. That is amazing. But why did my Doge not come with a Dominus? And why is my Doge following me? This Doge is looking away from me. Hello, Doge. I'm gonna have to end the video soon, guys. I like the monkey, he's a good YouTuber. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. What? It just moved, it just teleported. This is hacks. I called hack. My mouse don't work. That's like the worst excuse ever for not winning. Like, only plebs do that. Just kidding, not plebs, but only people who can't admit that they lost do that. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, I didn't have my volume up the entire time. Okay, I'm gonna do it. This is probably gonna be my final round, guys, just because. Actually, Hold on, I'll be back when I finish this round. Guys, I didn't get anything good, so that is all for this time. I hope you all enjoyed, and goodbye.